Hello students of class 5th. Today's presentation video is on the second chapter of your maths textbook, and the name of the chapter is addition and subtraction. You already know the term addition. You have learned addition in your previous classes. Now, what are the terms used for numbers in an addition? That is, the numbers that are used during addition, what are they known as? So, the numbers that we add are called addends. And the answer we get after adding those numbers is called the sum. Now here on the screen you can see 138 and 241 are the addends because we are adding these two numbers. And the number 379 is the sum. 379 is the result of adding 138 and 241. So this result 379 is known as the sum. Let's move on to the properties of addition. So there are mainly three properties of addition. That is, we have categorized the properties of addition into three broad categories. So the first property is the zero property of addition. Second is the order property of addition. Third is the grouping property of addition. So today we are going to study each of these three properties in detail with the help of certain examples and certain numbers. Let us start with the first property of addition. So the first property of addition is zero property. Now what is the zero property of addition? Let us take the numbers 912 and 0. If we add 912 to 0, we get the sum 912. And even if we add 0 to 912, again we get the sum 912. So what does this says? This tells us that when 0 is one of the two addends, the sum is equal to the non-zero addend. Or we can say that the sum of 0 and the number is the number itself. Next is order property of addition. This is the second property of addition. Again we are going to take the example of two numbers. Let us take the numbers 281 and 630. Now when we add 281 and 613, we get the sum 894. Now let us change the order of addends. That is, in the first case we have written 281 first and then we have written 613. Now in the second case we are going to write 613 first and 218 next. So let us add 613 and 281. Again we get the sum 894. Hence 281 plus 613 is equals to 613 and plus 281. Thus, when the order of the addends is changed, the sum remains the same. Last property of addition is the grouping property of addition. Now look at the numbers 35,000, 60,000 and 9,500. Let us add them. First you will add the numbers 35,000 and 60,000. We get the sum as 95,000. Now we add 9,500 to 95,000 and get the final result as 1,04,500. Now, in second case, let us see what answer we will get if we add 60,000 and 9,500 first. We get 60,000 plus 9,500 is equals to 69,500. And 35,000 plus 69,500 gives the final answer, that is 1,04,500. Now let us see what answer we will get if we add 35,000 and 9,500 first. We get 35,000 plus 9,500 is equals to 44,500, and 44,500 plus 60,000 gives the final answer 1,04,500. Thus, when adding three numbers, we can add any two numbers first. Hence, even if the grouping of the addends has changed, the sum remains the same. So students, these were the properties of addition. Thank you very much for watching this video. If you are going to have any doubts in this video, I'm going to clarify it in your online